Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem simple, but carries a lot of meaning. What does it mean when a woman touches your arm? You might be surprised to know that a seemingly innocent gesture can convey a range of emotions, intentions, and signals. So, if you've ever wondered what that brief touch on your arm really means, stick around because we're about to break it all down for you. 1. The power of touch. Let's start by understanding the basic power of touch. Touch is one of the most fundamental ways humans communicate. It can convey comfort, affection, attraction, or even dominance. When a woman touches your arm, it's rarely just a random action. It's a form of nonverbal communication, and it can speak volumes more than words ever could. When a woman touches your arm, she is consciously or subconsciously trying to connect with you on a deeper level. The context, the duration of the touch, and even the setting can greatly influence the meaning behind this seemingly small gesture. 2. Different types of arm touches and their meanings. Now, let's break down some of the different types of arm touches you might experience and what each of them could potentially mean. The casual brush. This is when a woman lightly brushes her fingers against your arm, often in passing or during a casual conversation. This touch is usually quick and almost unnoticeable. What does it mean? It's a way of gauging comfort and familiarity. She's testing the waters to see how you react. If you smile or respond positively, it might encourage her to be more open in her body language and conversation. The friendly tap. This is when a woman taps your arm playfully, often during a joke or a lighthearted conversation. The tap is usually accompanied by a laugh or a smile. This touch is a clear sign that she feels comfortable around you. It suggests a friendly rapport and might even hint at a budding attraction, especially if it's done repeatedly throughout your interaction. The steady hold. If she holds onto your arm for a longer duration, say while walking together or during a deeper conversation, it means she feels safe and comfortable around you. This gesture is more intimate than the casual brush or friendly tap. It's a way of showing trust and can often indicate a closer emotional connection. The squeeze. When a woman squeezes your arm gently, it's often a reassuring gesture. Maybe you shared something personal, or she noticed you're feeling a bit down. This type of touch shows empathy and care. It's her way of saying, "I'm here for you." The flirty stroke. This is a more deliberate and lingering touch, where she might slide her hand down your arm slowly. If you notice her doing this, along with direct eye contact or a coy smile, there's a high chance she's flirting. This is a strong sign that she's attracted to you and is testing your reaction to her advances. 3. Decoding the context. Now that we've covered the different types of touches, let's talk about context. Context is king when it comes to understanding what a touch really means. Location and setting. Is this happening in a casual setting like a coffee shop, a professional setting like a workplace, or an intimate setting like a party? The environment can significantly impact the meaning. A touch in a professional setting might be more reserved and friendly, whereas a touch in a more relaxed setting could be more flirtatious. Tone and body language. Is she smiling? Making eye contact? Laughing? The way she acts before, during, and after the touch is crucial. If she's making eye contact, leaning in, or smiling, those are all signs she's interested in you. The flow of conversation. What were you talking about before she touched you? Was it something funny, emotional, or serious? Sometimes, a touch can simply be a form of punctuation in a conversation, an exclamation mark that signifies her engagement in the topic. 4. How to respond. So, how should you respond when a woman touches your arm? Here are a few tips. Read the situation. Pay attention to the context, body language, and tone. If you sense it's a friendly touch, respond with warmth and friendliness. If you sense it's flirtatious, you can reciprocate with a light touch on her shoulder or hand. Don't overthink it. It's easy to overanalyze every gesture, But remember that some touches are genuinely friendly and innocent. The key is to stay relaxed and natural. Don't immediately jump to conclusions, but also don't ignore the possibility of attraction. Reciprocate thoughtfully. If you're interested in her and feel the touch was more than friendly, find a way to reciprocate. A light touch on her hand or back could be a great way to signal that you're also interested. Respect boundaries. Not every touch means the same thing to every person. If you sense she's just being friendly, respect that. It's important to be aware and considerate of personal boundaries. 5. Final thoughts. In conclusion, a woman touching your arm can mean a lot of different things: friendliness, comfort, attraction, or even just empathy. The key is to pay attention to the type of touch, the context, and the body language that accompanies it. Trust your instincts, stay present, and most importantly, enjoy the moment. Sometimes, the best connections happen when we're not trying to read too much into them. So, next time a woman touches your arm, you'll know exactly what to look for and how to respond. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.